Hello, today we're going to be taking a look at Newton's third law of motion. If you are unsure what page number you're supposed to be working on, please take a look at your planner or check eChalk. So first of all, Newton's third law of motion states that when one object exerts a force on the second object exerts an equal force in the opposite direction on the first object. Newton's third law of motion is also known as the action and reaction law, or equal and opposite reactions law. So, in short, equal and opposite reactions. One item pushes on another, and the other pushes back on that item with the equal and opposite force. So let's take a look at a little presentation, and then we'll come back to this page to finish up our notes. So let's take a look at some examples. Go ahead and draw in this data table. We have two forces. The first force says that an airplane jet engine pushes air towards the back of the plane. What do you think the result would be? The result is that the air pushes the plane forward. Next example, a fisherman tosses an anchor away from his boat. What do you think the result would be? The anchor would push the man and his boat backwards. And lastly, we're going to take a look at some other activities that show Newton's third law of motion. When you're swimming, you push on the water and the water pushes you. That's why you move forward from those equal and opposite forces. When you jump on the ground, you push the ground pushes back on you with the equal opposite force that makes you go up. And just like in the example that we just saw, rockets are great examples of Newton's third law of motion. This is one of the most popular examples of Newton's third law of motion. When the gases come out of the rocket, it pushes on the ground, and the ground pushes the rocket up into the sky. Once you have finished these notes, good job and keep up the good work.